Welcome back to the channel, chimps. We got the BoostedBoiz smart car. Some of you may recognize the BoostedBoiz smart car. It pushes the MR2 during track days. We're gonna be taking this to World Cup finals in Maryland. Servicing it now. We're gonna do the oil change, get rid of all this junk, all this nonsense when they take it off-roading, and put the new side or old side skirt on. Should clip right back on there, and then give her a wash. Looks absolutely disgusting in there. My tools are in there, whatever. But yeah, clean it up so it's nice and comfortable for World Cup. This motor mount is held on by hopes and dreams. As you can see, I'm trying to take the drain plug off. Oh my God, that is terrible. That thing is shot. Maybe we could see if we can throw one in. If we can find one, if we have enough time. If not, maybe when we come back. Oil filter is on. Drain bolt is on. I had to use an impact. That's how bad it was. It was so tight on there. This motor mount still pissing me off. I might just go get one just for fun, I guess. Everything just looks so bad under here. And we're gonna clean it up, show a little time lapse. Just stay tuned. All right, chimps, here she is. She's all cleaned up. Looks a lot better, minus I didn't dry her, but all good. Oil change good. Interior vacuumed out a little bit, but nothing too crazy. Smells good in here now. But yeah, thanks for watching.